Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And check out my forum at computersluggish.com. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install NVIDIA's latest graphics card drivers that now support the DirectX 12 Ultimate. You do need to have the latest version of Windows 10 to be able to install these drivers and to be able to use the new DirectX 12 Ultimate. The version of Windows you need is the May 2020 update, which is version 2004. To start off with, first you need to click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to select your graphics card, and once you have, you can go ahead and press search. At the moment, DirectX 12 Ultimate is only fully supported on the RTX supported graphics cards, but I'm pretty sure this will change in the future. And as you can see here, my graphics card does support the DirectX 12 Ultimate. You will know if the driver you're about to install supports it because it will display it down the bottom here. The next thing we need to do is go ahead and press download, and you now need to press download again and go save file. Once download has finished, we can now go ahead and run the setup file, and you now need to press OK. You can now choose if you'd like to just install the driver or install the driver and the GeForce Experience. I like GeForce Experience, which means I want to keep both the options selected, and once you have agreed to the terms and conditions you can go ahead and press agree and continue. You can now go ahead and choose if you want to do an express install or a custom. I'm just going to select express because NVIDIA are very good when it comes to the install. You now need to press next, and it will now begin to install the latest NVIDIA drivers to your PC. Once the install has finished, we now need to restart our PC. To do this, all you need to do is go ahead and simply select the green button that says restart. Just make sure you have everything saved before doing this. Once your PC has restarted, if we now go down to the bottom right hand corner of our screen and right click on the NVIDIA icon and click on the control panel, you will now see you have version 451.48, which means we have successfully installed the latest version of the NVIDIA drivers that now support the DirectX 12 Ultimate and its features. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.